In today's fast-paced professional world, keeping cleanliness efficiently while saving time and money is essential. Introducing the new Cif Professional Concentrated Range. 5 products specially designed for businesses, delivering performance, value, convenience, and sustainability. These concentrated formulas are made to be diluted using the innovative Cif 20 ml dosing pump. Just one pump into a reusable spray bottle or bucket, and they are ready to go. The pump ensures accurate and easy dosing every time. One concentrated jerry can makes up to 100 bottles or buckets, with no overspills and no product waste. Just the right dose every time, saving you time and money. Less is more. The 2-litre canister reduces heavy lifting and storage space. Our products are designed with sustainability in mind, refill and reuse. A simple, effective way to cut waste and reduce the environmental impact. Experience the new Cif Professional Concentrated Range for superior cleaning all across your establishment. The floor cleaner removes grease and stains easier and faster, and it's suitable for most common floor surfaces. The multi-purpose disinfectant cleaner removes grease streaks and kills 99.99% of bacteria and enveloped viruses. The kitchen degreaser provides faster degreasing with less effort and time, leaving shiny surfaces. The washroom cleaner removes soap residues and limescale faster for a fresh new bathroom experience for every guest. The glass and window cleaner delivers a streak-free shine on windows, mirrors, and more with a fast-drying formula for a spotless finish. With the new Cif Concentrated Range, you will achieve all 5 winning elements: stronger category value, business growth, superior cleaning and better value, and more sustainable cleaning solutions. A win for your business, a win for your customers.